This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for December 26, 2024. It's currently December 18th, 2024, 9:47 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $586.28. That's USD. We just had probably the worst day of the year. But people following along with our channel, likely they saw that coming because we were talking about the top and a major decline progressing off of the 16th. The SPY December 26th reading was created on October 15th, 2024 at 1:14 p.m. Eastern Time. So there's a notable reversal. The fortune card and the theme card position indicating either a notable reversal on a multi-day scale, or it could be one of those days where we go back and forth with multiple reversals, and that would be on a daily, like a one-day chart scale. Behavior around the high side, there's a resistance level important on a multi-day scale where we should probably flatten out near it, at least temporarily. Behavior around the lowest low, we have a breakout out of the low. Interesting, we had a breakout out of the low on the 23rd as well. Seeing a lot of bullish behavior off of these lows might be indicating that we're near bottoms here. In any case, I'm advised to trade around a decline through multiple support levels. In the in the pre-market, we have bearish price swings and/or a sharp drop that'll stand out. Multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance around the open, and a crest that will sell off from in the first half hour down to and through support. And then when we break through that support, we'll do a U-shaped reversal, break out to the upside through it, and then reuse it as support. There's a rally halted by a decline through key support between roughly 10 and 11, or might be a little bit hard to say, roughly 10 and 11, probably at a high, which we then sharply decline from into the 11 to 12 o'clock hour, where there's a significant reversal standing out on at least the one-day chart scale with a big move to the upside. It may be that we see the high. It's either that we fall from a high and then we return to a high, or we just fall from a rally and then move to a high. But there's a high there. Again, somewhere between 12 and probably like 120, most likely right around 1 o'clock. But it's rather mixed between that 12 to 1 o'clock hour with a big move to the upside, probably a breakout of some kind to the upside just before 1 o'clock, taking us all the way to a peak where we bump along resistance sideways. Yeah, there's a low for the day, it looks like, probably right around 1 o'clock. And then we're bound by a range between roughly 2 and 3 o'clock. There's a notable reversal standing out on a one-day chart scale minimum as well. And we decline down to and through support to meet another support, and then we rotate sideways along that second support in the last hour of trading. Equal amounts of bulls and bear, inflow and outflow, price swinging or narrow range right around the close. And then in the post-market, there's a failed attempt to break through key resistance, followed by decline through key support, or that could be talking about the following day. We'll see when we get into the 27th. Yeah, so it actually looks like we're going to be seeing the bottom multiple times. I wanted to see if it was multiple false bottoms based on the prudence card, but it's more like the sideways rotation version. So very, very likely we're seeing a low on the 19th. We're seeing a low on the 23rd. We're probably seeing these big moves to the upside off of lows next week. So we'll probably like revisit the low on the 23rd and probably on the 27th. That's my sense. But that's December 26, 2024. You would want to open up a long position in the midst of this decline here off of a highs or off of a high thus far into a trough or a low there in between 10 and 11. Open up a long, close that long, probably just before 12 with this big move to the upside, or wait until 1 o'clock. Oh wow! It looks like that bottom may very well be tomorrow. Or sorry, may very well be the 27th. But we'll look at that in more detail when we get into that. That's SPY for December 26, 2024. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.